team. Can we get a soul clap? My audience at y'all, come on. Put those hands together, y'all, come on. This is it. Wrong one. Nice. Yo. Livermore, where y'all at? Come on, let's go. Y'all still with us out there?
Yeah, let's go, baby! Yeah, let's go! Woo! Yeah! Nice!
Where's my crowd at? Come on, y'all.
Yeah! Let's go! Woo!
Round one. Routine, y'all. Where's my crowd at? Come on. Woo! Yo, Livermore, where y'all at? Come on, this is serious. Let's go. Round two. Yo, can we get our flashlights out? Can we get our flashlights out? If you have a flashlight, pull it out. Get your flashlights out. Let's go. Let's go. Get your flashlights
Go,
out.
Josh!
Show these dancers some love, y'all. Come on. Round two. Mom's recipe. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh yeah. Round two. Here we go, here we go. Round two.
Let's go, Jerry!
Can we get a soul clap? Come on. Can we get a soul clap? Come on, this is it. make sure when you post it, hashtag Barrio Fiesta. Trust me, that thing will probably go viral. You'll probably get about 1 million views tonight. It's almost like buying a lottery ticket. All right, y'all. Judges, we ready? Y'all got some? You got a winner? Y'all got a winner? Come do it, Johnny, yeah. You the oldest. You the oldest. No, I'm not. We got Queen Johnny over here. Rock for us. All right, audience. We're gonna need your support on this one. Like I said, we're gonna turn up that energy volume up to 10. So here we go, y'all. Let me count it down. 10,
9, 8, 7,
louder,
6,